Hello and welcome to this lecture, and in this lecture we will learn how to install Android Studio on a Windows PC. So if you're using a Windows computer, you could follow these steps, and if you're using a Mac, you could skip to the next lecture on this, which is going to be the installation steps for Mac users. So the first thing which you need to do here is that you need to install Java JDK. So in order to install Java JDK, just go to Google and type in download Java JDK, and this link right here is going to be the link to download Java JDK. So simply open this thing up, and in here what you need to do is that you need to go ahead and click on accept license agreement, and here you will have options to download the appropriate version of Java JDK. So depending upon the computer which you have, so if you have a 32-bit operating system, you have to download this version, and if you have a 64-bit operating system, you could go ahead and download this version right here. So in order to check which version you have, you simply need to open up File Manager, and once File Manager is opened up, what you could do is that you could go on the computer or this PC option, right click over here, go to Properties, and as you could see here you will have information about the bits. So as you could see, I'm having a 64-bit operating system, so that means I'm going to download the 64-bit version, which is this version right here, or else I'm going to download the 32-bit version, which is the x86 version over here. So if you have a 32-bit computer, go ahead and download this file right here. So I'm going to click over here, and once you click here, you just need to save this file, and once the file is downloaded, you will be able to notice the downloaded file over here. So once it is downloaded, you simply need to open this thing up and go through the installation procedure for installing Java JDK on your computer. So I'm not going to explain the installation steps because it's quite easy and obvious. So you just need to go ahead, go through the installation, and once the installation is completed, you again need to go back to Google and you need to search for Android Studio. And the first link which pops up is going to be the link to download Android Studio. So simply open this thing up. So after that, you just need to click this simple button which says download Android Studio. So you simply need to click over here, click this checkbox, click on download Android Studio for Windows, and once you get this file, you just need to save it. And it's actually quite big file. So once this file is downloaded, what you need to do is that you simply need to open this thing up and go through the installation steps for Android Studio. So the installation steps are quite simple. You just need to go through them, and if you face any problem, then you could post your queries in the Q&A section and I will be there to help you out. So once Android Studio is successfully installed, from the next lecture onwards, we are going to start learning how to build Android applications. So thank you very much for watching, and I'll see you guys next time. Thank you.